jump rope. How hard can it be? Oh no. Hi, my name is Gemma Perry and welcome to Mooncake ESL Teaching Made Easy. If you're new here, you need to know that I make weekly ESL teaching tip videos to help you improve your English teaching. So if you are teaching ESL abroad, make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell for weekly ESL teaching tips. Also, real quick, if you are new here, don't forget to say hi in the comments below and let me know where in the world you're teaching. So you have a ton of vocabulary words that you need to review because let's face it, if we don't review, kids tend to forget, like really quickly. So today I'm giving you a quick and easy drilling game that's going to help your students remember vocabulary quickly. Now, this game works so well because it's both physical and fun, so students remember quickly. Without further ado, let's get straight into it with today's game, rope jump. Now, to play this game, all you're going to need are some flashcards of the vocabulary that you would like to practice and a long piece of rope. Now, if you don't have a long piece of rope, don't worry, you could use something as simple as a jump rope or a piece of string. Or if all else fails, you can take a whiteboard marker and draw a line on the floor. Now, to play this game, you're going to position the class in a semicircle with you, the teacher, in the middle. You're going to start by reviewing those flashcards one by one using TPR to help students remember. Now, if you're not sure how to use TPR in the classroom, then you can check out my video on TPR linked below. Next, you're going to take that rope and place it on the floor in the middle of your semicircle. You're then going to ask 3 or 4 students to come to the center and line up on one side of that rope. Next, you're going to show them a flashcard and students need to look at it, say the word out loud and jump over the rope. You're then going to show them another flashcard and they do the same thing, look at it, say the word out loud and jump back to the other side. Now, it's really important that we have the whole class saying those vocabulary words out loud along with the students in the middle. This is to help keep them engaged while they're waiting for their turn. This is part of our classroom management strategy. If you'd like more information on classroom management, you can check out my video linked below. Next, you're going to show another flashcard. Students are going to say that word out loud and they're going to jump over once again. Keep going until you've shown 4 or 5 flashcards and then switch students and go again. Now, you can keep things fun by changing the action that students need to do as they say the word. So for example, you could take that rope and stick it to 2 chairs and have them duck under it instead of jumping over it. Or you could take it and bend it into a circle and have students jump in and out of the circle instead. You can also adjust the difficulty of the level by having students create sentences using the words that you're showing them, or if you're working on initial sound recognition, you could have them say the initial sound of the words. Think about your class, what they're currently studying, and how you can best adjust this game to suit them. So there you have it, a quick and easy drilling game that's going to help your students remember vocabulary quickly. If you like this video, let me know by commenting the word helpful and by sharing with your fellow teachers. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, or if you're interested in a Mooncake sweatshirt or mug, you can find them linked below. And of course, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more weekly ESL teaching tips from Mooncake.